Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you the best Meccha Chameleon poses for hiding in small spaces. So if you want to blend in better and make it harder for seekers to find you, just follow along. In Meccha Chameleon, good hiding is not only about your color, your pose and silhouette also matters a lot. First, try using a crouched or compressed pose when hiding in small areas. This works well because it reduces your character outline and makes you look more like a small object instead of a player. Next, use the corner pose. Press your body close to the walls, shelves, or furniture edges and adjust your position so your shape matches the object around you. And another good option is the folded pose. Move your arms and legs close to your body so fewer parts stick out. And for hiding behind small objects, try the flat pose. Align yourself with the surface behind you and avoid creating obvious shadows or shapes. You can also use unusual poses where your body shapes looks like a part of the object instead of normal standing character. After choosing your pose, paint your body to match the environment and stay completely still when the seeker enters. And avoid using the same hiding pose every round because experienced seekers will start checking common patterns. So those are some of the best Meccha Chameleon poses for hiding in small spaces. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.